Auto Warehousing Company is North America's largest full-service auto processor, handling over 3 million vehicles annually across its 20 port, plant, and rail facilities throughout the United States and Canada. The company sustains this success because its leadership has learned from 48 years in the industry that providing the latest in technology and innovation amidst a culture of flexibility is the cornerstone to exceeding customer expectations for quality, cost, and processing time.
AWC has great flexibility. We have to shift gears, so to speak, all the time.
They find a new way of doing things, whether it's fewer people doing more work that's smarter. They find a better, more efficient way to do the process.
AWC is very flexible because we deal with different manufacturers and they expect different processes. They have different expectations of us, and we have to be able to adapt to each one.
We got great leads, great employees that make shifting gears, so to speak, very seamless, and the customer appreciates that.
Ultimately, the success of AWC is built on the diversity of its products and the contribution, dedication, and satisfaction of its associates. Auto Warehousing Company is a dynamic company that maintains family values of trust and empowerment. From a leadership standpoint, AWC empowers each individual associate to be part of the decision-making process.
AWC is a very empowered culture, and by empowering me to use my IT skills and my staff's IT skills, they allow us to take what we know best and apply it to our business model to support our customers.
They expect me to do my job, and they let me do my job. They let me make decisions, and I do the same with the TMs that work for me.
They are excellent at communication, telling us what we have to do, where we're going to go, and letting us make the decisions to achieve the goals that they want us to achieve.
As a result of this forward-thinking philosophy, the company has a seasoned management team with combined plant, port, and rail experience that averages over 20 years for senior management and over 14 years for all associates.
I've been with Auto Warehousing for 19 years.
I've been working for Auto Warehousing Company for 17 years.
With AWC, I've been here probably about 3.5 years, but in the industry, I've been here close to 30 years.
Started as on the car wash in Tacoma, and I've been with the company now 25 years, and I've moved to various positions.
I've been with AWC 18 years, and I've been in the industry 33.
I wouldn't stay for 22 years if the company wasn't a good company.
This stability ensures that customers are not only receiving the best quality of services and support, but shows that AWC is committed to building long-term relationships, both internally and with its customers. These customers include many of the largest auto manufacturers in the world, such as Honda, Ford, GM, Mazda, Subaru, Hyundai, Kia, and more. Exceeding the expectations of these customers is intrinsically linked to the company's unwavering commitment to the quality of services performed and the safety of AWC associates.
AWC reinforces safety through the use of the Joint Health and Safety Committee, through the empowerment of our safety policies coming from head office, and the directive is followed out by all associates from the ground floor up.
Safety means everything to AWC. It's from the worker all the way up through management.
Safety means everyone goes home to their family every day.
There are other companies that are port processors. There are other companies that are yard managers. There are other companies that are doing plant releasing, but we do all three of those, and we do it the safest and the best. We believe in the safety of our people is paramount.
The importance of this is understood at all levels of the organization and is taken very seriously. In keeping with this commitment, AWC utilizes KPI and many industry quality processes such as Lean and the 5 S's at various facilities, and these can be customized to meet each manufacturer's requirements. As a specific example related to quality, the company is dedicated to attaining the highest scores from the industry bellwether organization AAR.
The American Association of Railroads is an industry group that is responsible for setting up the guidelines by which all yard management companies work.
Auto Warehousing Company has, in year 2009, scored the highest level of AAR score within the industry on an origin basis, and that score was 99.97%.
Ultimately, it is customers that recognize Auto Warehousing Company's commitment to quality and safety, which is demonstrated by long-term relationships with and awards that are given to AWC. To consistently reach this level of excellence, Auto Warehousing Company's flexibility, adaptability, and commitment to its customers is further illustrated by innovation and state-of-the-art technology.
AWC and innovation are one and the same. We've developed systems for vehicles, for the logistics of vehicles that nobody can beat. Everybody's tried.
I think primarily we innovate through the use of our technology. We use cutting-edge technology, but we use it in a pragmatic way, and we use it to serve both our internal needs and our customer needs. So we always try to take whatever the cutting-edge technologies are and apply it to our business model.
This is evident throughout the company, starting with VIPS, Auto Warehousing Company's proprietary vehicle inventory and processing system. This system documents everything that happens to the car from the time it leaves the manufacturer to the moment it is delivered to a dealership.
VIPS is the state-of-the-art as far as information gathering and dissemination amongst all of the terminals and all of our customers. It offers the customers the same information that we're able to look at on a daily, weekly, monthly, even hourly basis.
I can use VIPS in my office, I can use it at home via the web. I can also use VIPS on my phone. So anywhere I am that I can get cell phone service, I can use VIPS.
The idea behind VIPS Online was to present our data to our customers in a manner that they could consume and make decisions off of quickly by supplying them with charts and graphs to give them context to the data.
It's a management tool for not only us, but for the manufacturers by which they make decisions.
VIPS is essential for AWC and its customers. This is especially true at larger facilities, such as Woodhaven, Michigan, which is a plant facility that handles automobiles for both Ford and Mazda. At this facility, AWC's 2 accessorization shops demonstrate leadership in innovation and state-of-the-art technology, from custom-developed tools for installing spoilers and hood scoops to a graphic striping program that requires precision craftsmanship to glass roof installations using the latest robotic technology. This is also demonstrated at Woodhaven through the development of a quality inspection program called ICAP, which was implemented in conjunction with Mazda. Another example of flexibility and innovation is in Tacoma, Washington, which is not only the company's headquarters, but also a dynamic port facility that handles 7 different auto manufacturers, with each customer having their own unique processing requirements. As a result, the complexity of this operation requires enormous adaptability by AWC because of the unique challenges inherent in accessorization for so many manufacturers, as well as the sheer volume of vehicles that must be loaded onto rail cars going to multiple destinations. A third example is Oshawa, Ontario, Canada, which is a plant facility that handles automobiles from 3 different production lines. With its superior logistics, this operation can seamlessly handle over 4,000 vehicles per day, utilizing dynamic processes for shuttling, parking, trucking, and rail loading operations. Whether it's one of these or the other 17 facilities, such as New Boston, Michigan, with the largest rail yard in North America, or the port facility in Richmond, California, that recently received a $40 million upgrade, Auto Warehousing Company and its associates are committed to the success of present and future customers.